October 21st, 1600. You are about to live the battle that ended an era. You wake on cold ground in a valley drowned in fog. It rained all night. Armies marched through it to reach this valley. A comrade ties your armor cords, borrowed gear, the clan mark painted on the chest. Rice and miso, eaten in silence. Some men cannot eat at all. They hand out the long ashigaru spears. You will fight as a wall. Above the fog, the banners of the Western Army. Your commander passes, Ōtani Yoshitsugu. Gravely ill, nearly blind, he leads from a litter. The fog thins. Above you looms Matsuo, Yama. On its summit, an allied army of more than 10,000. The veterans keep glancing up at that mountain. So does your commander. Somewhere in the fog, a single gunshot. That is how it began. The conch sounds, the drums answer. The matchlocks speak, and the fog comes to Gunsmoke. War at arm's length. Push, brace, hold on. A riderless horse, a fallen banner. You cannot see 10 paces. Wave after wave breaks against your lines. Somehow it holds. Then the field goes strangely quiet. Every head turns toward Matsuo Yama. The mountain is moving. More than 10,000 allies coming down. Your commander expected this. The line moves and throws them back. Again and again. Then 4 men allied companies turn their banners against you. Surrounded on 3 sides, the line breaks. You run. By evening, it is over. The battle that decided Japan's fate lasted less than a day. Your commander does not leave the field. Of all the lords at Sekigahara, Ōtani Yoshitsugu alone chooses death by his own hand. 3 years later, the victor, Tokugawa Ieyasu, becomes shogun and founds the Edo shogunate. The peace that follows will last 265 years. Villagers buried the fallen on both sides. Their burial mounds still stand at Sekigahara. History isn't the past. It's a morning someone lived.